Okay guys, welcome to another wristwatch unboxing. This is my WatchGang Black subscription. This is my first month. I just subscribed to WatchGang, so I didn't lift these flaps. I just cut this so that the video could start a little faster. So let's get into it. This is the Black subscription, and this is March 2018. So let's see what I got in the box. Okay, what is this? Just a black unnamed box. There's no label on this. This was in the cardboard box. Okay. WatchGang March. Cool. Okay, let me see. Okay. I'll get to it. William Geiger. Sounds, well, 1791. William Geiger sounds like Robert Roy McGregor of the Gregor. Pardon my accent, it's probably horrible. So let's open it and see if I can do this one-handed. Alright. See a mesh bracelet. That's a different color. It's a nice dress watch. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's an automatic. It's got a date on it. Oh. It's got a shine finish, kind of a chrome finish. Adjustable strap. Has a sign crown, so that is nice. I'll get a little more in depth here in a second. Okay. Does not have an exhibition window, but hey, can't have everything. But you know, I've never had a mesh bracelet, so this is going to be kind of like my fun dress watch. Something that I can wear and just not care. I really like the look of it. I like this. I like the little detail. It's got applied markers. Kind of sword hands. I wonder, is that loom in there? I have to check it out. I don't know if that's loom. It's a really classy looking piece. It's a handsome piece, I gotta say. So, I don't know much about this yet. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video. Oh, the clasp is signed as well. Adjustable clasp. So, yeah. This is awesome. I like the feel of it. It has some heft. So it doesn't feel like some light, chintzy piece of crap, you know. It feels like a... So, anyway, let me do my customary wristwatch check. Of course, the classic, the SKX 009. But this is the K version, so... But, yeah, something fun I can wear. And, I do like that. Is that kind of a... Is that a sunburst? I don't know what color that is. I don't know. It kind of reminds me of not champagne, but it has that feel to. I don't know. But I'll do a follow-up video of this. Give it some wear time. All right, thanks guys. Until next month, my next video, my next WatchGang subscription. Oh, and I forgot to show you this too. There is a leather strap, and this one is signed as well. So, cool beans. All right, guys. Peace out.